Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the importance of a balanced diet and how it can significantly impact our overall well-being. So, let's get started. But what exactly is a balanced diet? Well, it's all about consuming the right proportion of nutrients your body needs to function optimally. By incorporating a variety of food groups into our daily meals, we ensure that our bodies receive essential vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These nutrients work together to support our immune system, promote healthy digestion, boost energy levels, and even enhance brain function. Now that we understand the importance of a balanced diet, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the science behind how our bodies use food for growth, maintenance, and repair. It's like fuel for our bodies. When we provide ourselves with proper nutrition through a balanced diet, we can experience numerous benefits. Firstly, maintaining a healthy weight becomes easier when we consume nutrient-rich foods in appropriate portions. Additionally, a balanced diet helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, and improve our mental well-being. So now that we know why a balanced diet is important, let's discuss some practical tips on how to achieve it. First and foremost, fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals while being low in calories. Next, opt for whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats as they provide fiber and energy. Don't forget about lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. They are vital for muscle growth and repair. And of course, healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Lastly, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining overall health. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss how to incorporate a balanced diet into your lifestyle. Firstly, it's important to plan your meals ahead of time. This way, you can ensure that you have a variety of nutrient-dense foods available and avoid resorting to unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Secondly, try experimenting with new recipes and flavors. Eating a balanced diet doesn't mean sacrificing taste. There are countless delicious and nutritious recipes available online that can make your meals exciting and enjoyable. And there you have it. The importance of a balanced diet cannot be emphasized enough. By nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients through a variety of foods, we can lead healthier lives overall. Remember, it's not about strict diets or deprivation, but rather about making conscious choices that support our well-being. So let's start today by prioritizing our nutrition and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Absolutely, and don't forget to stay hydrated as well. Water is essential for our body's functioning and can aid in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Definitely, small changes in our daily habits can go a long way in improving our nutrition. It's about finding what works for us individually and making sustainable choices. Host. Absolutely. Whether it's adding more fruits and vegetables to our meals, trying out new healthy recipes, or simply being mindful of portion sizes, every step counts on the journey towards better nutrition.